गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन द फिफ्थ चैप्टर of your textbook, that is periodic classification of elements. Regarding classification, you have read in your 9th class biodiversity, in which different organisms like plants and elements have been classified to make their study easier way. Similarly, here there are a large number of elements, likely 118 elements are known, and study those all elements individually is a difficult task. It is why scientists have attempted to classify so that their study will be easier and in an organized manner. Here, periodic means in the as name headings of the chapter implies, periodic implies repetition after certain interval. Classification means grouping of elements on the basis of their similarity. As we know that there are 118 elements known, a study about them separately is very difficult task. To make their study easier and in organized way, they have been classified. There were 4 attempts in context of classification. First attempt was done by Dobrenier. Secondly, Newland. Third one is Mendeleev, and last one is modern periodic table. First of all, we will talk about Dobrenier's triad. In 1817, Dobrenier formed a small groups of 3 elements and named it as a triad. And he arranged elements in order of their increasing atomic masses. And he found that elements present in each triad have similar properties. The 3 elements of triad are such that atomic masses of middle elements was roughly average of atomic mass of the remaining 2 elements. For example, here is an example of one triad, that is lithium, sodium and potassium. What we see here, lithium which has approx atomic mass 7, sodium 23 and potassium 39. Now what we see, average atomic mass of lithium and potassium, that is 23, which is equal to atomic mass of middle element, that is here sodium. Now limitations of Dobrenier's triad. Dobrenier could not form the triads of all the elements known during his time. It is why this classification was discarded. Later on in 1866, in the year 1866, Newland gave law of octave. According to law of octave, whenever elements are arranged in order of their atomic masses, the properties of every earth element is similar to the properties of first element, which we found in music, just like sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, and again sa. After starting with sa, we end at sa after earth word. Similarly, when elements are arranged in order of their increasing atomic masses, the properties of every Earth element will be similar to the properties of first element. This was known as Newland's law of octave. Now, this classification was not succeeded due to having some limitations. I am going to explain this limitation. First limitation of octave's law was it was applicable up to calcium only. That is, this law of octave was applicable for only lighter elements. Means it was applicable up to calcium, while 56 elements were known during his time. Thus, all those known elements were not classified according to law of octave. Second limitation was, or you may say demerits of this octave rule was, he put many elements in the same slot or in same column. At many places, he put more than one elements in the same column, or you may say same slot. For example, cobalt and nickel were put together, but these elements had different properties. For example, nickel and cobalt were placed with fluorine, chlorine, and bromine. These are halogens, and they have quite different properties than that of nickel and cobalt. As you know, that nickel and cobalt are metals which were put with nonmetals like halogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine. Secondly, iron which resembles cobalt and nickel in properties was placed far away from these elements. This means iron should be placed with cobalt and nickel, as their properties are very resemble to iron, but this was not found. Third and last one demerits of octave rule was that he did not left vacant spaces for the undiscovered elements. That is, he didn't think later on more elements will be discovered. Hence, when new elements were discovered, their properties did not fit into law of octave. Thus, this was also not succeeded. In next class, I will describe Mendeleev's periodic classification and modern classification. Thank you.